Good morning, children. So, today we're going to proceed further. Chapter 9, Living Organism Characteristics and Their Habitat. So, we already have discussed what is habitat, what is adaptation, everything we have discussed last class. So, today we're going to start with the two important factors of habitat. That habitat means the animals or plants which are living. So, they are living with the help of some components. And what are the components called? Let's discuss. So habitat contain two type of component. A habitat is made up of two type of component. What the components are? The first component is called biotic and the next one is your abiotic. So in a habitat you are going to find the combination of biotic and abiotic one. Okay. What is biotic component contain? It is the living organism. So there are two living organisms, plants and animals. So plants and animals combinedly make the biotic component. So where is the only biotic? It means living. Biotic means living organism. Okay. And in a habitat, you also going to find some other component which are helpful for the survival of biotic component. A biotic component are able to survive because of that another component that is called abiotic. Abiotic means non-living, they don't have life. But they are helping or supporting the biotic for their survival. First very important component is your air. You know, living organism breathing, and that is air does not have any life, but it's help the life to be sustained. Air, water is important, rock or minerals, sunlight. More is their temperature, some many things are there. Or these things, temperature, pressures, extra also I have written for that reason this extra. Okay. So these all are do not possess any life, but they are helping biotic for their survival. So biotic component depends upon abiotic component for the survival. Okay. And what is biotic? It is a combination of the living organism, that is your plants and animals. तो clear? So एक habitat में आपको ये दो component देखने को मिलेंगे, biotic and abiotic. Now come to types of habitat. So different places, different organism, plants, it means habitat are different. So habitat are two types, that is your terrestrial and aquatic. So terrestrial means living on land and aquatic means living inside or living in water. So aqua means water. तो जो रहता है aqua पानी के अंदर उसको बोलेंगे aquatic habitat. Okay, or aquatic animal you can say. And terrestrial means land. The organism or the plants which live on land are called terrestrial animals, and that habitat they are called terrestrial habitat. Okay. So again the terrestrial habitat or the land habitat is divided into so many categories. What the categories are? Mountain, because see the geographical land of the earth is not same everywhere. It is of different structure and characteristics. So we will discuss according to that. So somewhere the land is in the form of mountain, somewhere it is covered with a forest, somewhere it is only grasslands, somewhere it's a sandy area, that is desert or too hot condition, and some is a water area, that is called coastal. So land are covered with these 5 different type of geographical region. Okay. So terrestrial means all this combinedly considered as your land terrestrial or land habitat. Okay. So जो भी animal, mountain, forest, grassland, desert and coastal में रहते हैं, all are we going to consider under terrestrial habitat. Okay. Move to aquatic. Those who are living inside water. Again it is of two types. Some animal living inside fresh water or surviving the fresh water, जो पानी आप लोग पी सकते हो, okay, drinkable one, and some animals are living inside saline means namkeen water, salty water. salty water में ocean, seas are there, and fresh water में pond, lake, rivers. No, those water are fresh means they are able to drink. आप उसको पी सकते हो. Okay, but saline water that is very salty, we cannot consume it. So that's also two type, ocean and sea. So some animal only can survive in saline and some in the fresh, and some are both of the water. Okay, so we'll discuss this further. Next class we're going to discuss about the terrestrial habitat. Thank you.